Like any RV development, you have a huge investment, and you hope if you build it, they'll come. But that wasn't the case. I'm Ron Greenland, and I was the developer of Golden Palms Luxury Motor Coach Resort in Fort Myers, Florida. We started off with a Class A RV resort. We had to do a bunch of work, and when it was finished, we had a really tough time landing leads. We went and we did all the trade shows. We rented billboards on the interstate. We did that, and when it was over, we would have one or two leads that maybe were fruitful or not fruitful. It was amazing the amount of effort you could put into something and not get the result until I met Big Rig Media at a trade show in Oklahoma. Big Rig Media did everything. I'm not a tech guy, so Big Rig Media set up the website, integrated everything, like reservations, marketing videos, directing people to our page. We exceeded our goals by probably 45%. Going in as investors, thinking here's what could be done. The traffic was so incredible that there were weeks that I sold 8% of my inventory certain weeks. And so the demand was so great because of what Big Rig Media was doing that we were able to raise our prices. Like I said, 100 grand a lot in the end. They showed us how to be successful and how to hit the actual market of the people that we were looking for instead of just bulk people. It was amazing experience, and I would highly recommend Big Rig Media to anybody. Big Rig, I mean, it just exploded to where I had to tell Jeff, I was like, or I'm sorry, I had to tell my salesman, I had to say, pull some ads back because I can't even do the tours of everybody that's showing up. Once Big Rig Media dialed in all of our ads, there became a point in time within 3 months where I had to ask Big Rig Media to pull our ads back because I could not handle the volume of the traffic that we were getting in through the front gate. Do yourself a favor and spend the money. The expertise is well worth it on going after the traffic you're looking for, not just volume of people. I tried to give it a whirl on my own. I'm a businessman, so there's nothing I can't accomplish. And it was amazing to see the difference in results once Big Rig Media got involved. If you want the best results that is possible for your resort, reach out to Big Rig Media like I did. My result was phenomenal.